Hi guys, I hope you will enjoy this romantic Valentine's Day look I made for you. Of course, before everything, I put my moisturizer on my face. I'll be using a primer from the brand Benefit, which is the Pore Professional Primer. And I'll just be rubbing that all over my face. And the foundation that I'll be using is the Estee Lauder, the Double Wear Foundation. And I'll be using the concealer from Maybelline. I'll be putting it under my eyes and also on the side of my nose to conceal the red skin. I'm just blending it out. I'll be setting my concealer with the Laura Mercier brightening powder. I'll be using another brand from Laura Mercier, the translucent powder, and just putting that all over my face. And now I'm going to just brush all the translucent powder just to set my foundation. And now I'll be using the brand Anastasia to fill in my brows, and I'll be using the lightest color first for the inner corner of my eyebrows. And I'll be using the dark color for the outer of my eyebrows and just blending it all together. I'll be using the Cheeky Party palette from Benefit. And for my contour, I'll be using the powder which is called Hula. I'll be using a bronzer from the brand e.l.f. and this is in light color. I'll be using two bronzers here, and the other brand would be Pacifica, which is a darker bronzer color. And for the eyes, I'll be using the palette from Tarte, which is called Tartelette Tease. And I'll be using the color Whisper all over my eyelids. I'll be using the colors Crush and First Kiss for my crease, and putting a little bit of the color Heartbreaker and just blending it all out. Now I'll be using the Naked 3 palette from Urban Decay. Now I'm gonna be brushing off all the setting powder. I'll be using the Super Slim from L'Oreal liquid eyeliner in the shade Jet Black. And for the wing, I'll be using the MAC Fluid Line Eyeliner Gel, and I'll be using their brush in MAC number 266. And for my eyelashes, I'll be using the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. I'll be using the Studio Fix powder by MAC in C3 just to set the rest of my face. To contour my nose, I use the Hoola from Real Cheeky Party palette by Benefit. This one came from the Real Cheeky Party palette by Benefit, and it's called What's Up. It's a highlighter, and I'll be using that to highlight my face. I'll be adding a little glitter for my cheekbones, and I'll be using this Naked Cosmetics, and I'm gonna be using this highlighting brush from Luxie in number 522. Okay guys, don't mind me looking up. The TV was in front of me and I was watching Titanic. Who else loves Titanic? I can watch that all over and over again. To curl my lashes, I'm going to be using this eyelash curler from Revlon. Okay, I almost forgot to do my cheeks, so I'll be using the Rock and Dandelion from the Cheeky Party palette by Benefit. And then we're gonna do the lips now, and I'll be using the MAC lipsticks in Diva 2, and I'll be using the lip liner by Essence in a dark shade. And that will be the finished look. I just fixed my hair. I hope you guys like this. Please like and subscribe. Love you guys. Thank you.